I typically get the question of, do you need an isolator when running a dual battery setup? That's one of those yes and no questions. Yes, you do if your batteries are not the same. Let's say, for example, you're running a stock battery and a gold top. Yes, you need an isolator. It will behoove you to get an isolator, otherwise you're going to kill your alternator. On the flip side of that, if you have two of the same battery, let's say two OEM batteries that are the same cold cranking amperage, basically the same battery, you don't need an isolator. The system will charge just fine with no issue. I've done this 1,000 times without problem. So if you are going to run this system, and I reiterate, your batteries must be the same if you don't plan on running an isolator. If you're running a battery and let's say a power cell, gold top, let's say a kinetic battery, something of that nature, what is the other one, excess power, yeah, you need an isolator.